Alright, you're going with a red 60s Corvette or an 80s Porsche Targa. Let's continue on. Check out Walk the Line. Here, Russo-Steele, Newport Beach, Back Bay. '75 911 Carrera. Certificate of authenticity. Got pro image detailing over here underneath the canopy. Highway Patrol cop car. 5.8 Mustang. Whoa. Nova, hold all motor. Pretty badass. I wonder what this 23 window is going to go for. $64. MGA wires, red. This is starting to pop out more. That's a 58, one of the earlier ones. Ah, it does have a radio. Looks to be an original radio also. Nice soft top, clear glass, clear plastic rather. Luggage rack. Just like mine, except mine was a 61 luggage rack. That's pretty nice. Turn signal right here. The window lifts or the door lifts. You go underneath the deal here. There's a little string here. You pull on the string, opens the door. Side curtains that go in here. Go in there, and there's a little dial right here. You put it in. You tighten up the nut that they give you for it, and when you're cruising down the road they kind of blow out, and either got built-in air conditioning in the summertime or you're going to freeze your butt off in the wintertime. And I had mine growing up back in New York, so I froze. Had two 6-volt batteries sitting in the back underneath, and they got all kinds of road grime, and they'd always fail in the cold start mornings. They wouldn't turn over. I always had to push the car down the street to jump it. Those are pretty cool. It's Fiat taxi, surfboard, luggage rack. And that would be pretty cool for driving around Huntington Beach to goof off in. I get rid of the taxi sign. We don't need to be a taxi, but maybe the color combo isn't quite conducive to be cool, but it's pretty cool. It's 4 doors. Well, Porsche needs some paint here, 914. And no paint correction, gonna pull that out. And what else we got over here? 80s Mustang. We got a stretched Land Cruiser, Land Cruiser, yeah, Toyota Land Cruiser, spit out my tongue. 69 Yanko. About 31, maybe a 32 hot rod. Woody with a Woody trailer. These Ferraris, don't do much for me. Oh, don't get me wrong. If it was offered to me, I'd take the thing. Pretty cool, huh? Look at this Cadillac. Whoa. Wow, is that special? Let's see, it's got to be about a 58, I imagine. Talk about a hot rod.
A lot of cars going through and a lot of no sales. So yeah, there was just a 29 Ford Woody that went through. Didn't make the reserve. I talked to the owner. Reserve was 30.
That's pretty nice.
And the high bid was 50. The Buckley show yeah, the local guy lives. The local guy. It's a local guy.
Alright, that's the upper end of the staging area here at Russo-Steele, Newport Beach, Back Bay. We'll let this roll on out with a Cobra. Obviously it's not a real one, but still probably got it banging out a 427. Yeah. You know he'd like to put that pedal down and make that thing spin and smoke, but he likes probably his job better.